So you want to be a better rider? I have 5 advice for you then. First one, relax. Just relax on your motorcycle. Try to relax as much as possible on your motorcycle. Many people do stupid mistakes because they are too tight on their motorcycle. When you are driving a car, you can just sit back, even fall asleep. When you are on a motorcycle, all your limbs are performing crucial operations. And if they are tight, they cannot do those delicate operations. So my first advice definitely is to relax on the bike. Just try when you are holding on the bike to have flimsy arms just like this. So they are still performing everything they should, but they are pretty relaxed. And that is what you need to have. The second thing is pretty related to the first one. It's about body position. I mostly keep my body in a neutral stance, I would say like that. That means that my body is like 90% upright, and I move my upper body I just wanted to pick that shovel up. It was in the middle of the road, and yeah, someone else did. So yeah, only if I'm taking like really harsh turns, I move my upper body past my bars, and that's it. I keep my body fairly up straight. But you should just look to get in the most comfortable position for yourself. The third thing is throttle control. Man, this one is really important. If you really want to ride better, you should learn how to do throttle control. Jerky starts and jerky releases of the throttle can mean life and death, and also are just unpleasant for the rider. Think of doing this all the time. It's really not good at all. This is I will say the first thing you should master on a bike, and that's throttle control. It will help you corner, it will help you ride safer, it will help you overall on a bike. There is tons and tons material on YouTube about throttle control, and I strongly encourage you to watch Twist of the Wrist. It's just a great educational material. Number 4, practice. You can never master all the techniques on a motorcycle, and that's why you need always practice. Take a course, find a empty parking lot, and just practice slow speed maneuvers, emergency braking, emergency swerving. Everything is really just great to practice. If you think that you do not need to practice and that you are just great overall, just go on YouTube and type in Motojitsu and try to do some of the belts. I mean, Eddie did a fantastic job with Motojitsu. I just enjoy every single video of him. He's an excellent instructor, and the things that he teaches are applicable in real life, like on street. And they can also save lives, so if you didn't, check them out. And the fifth and the final advice is to get out of the comfort zone, to push yourself to the limits. By this, of course, I don't mean just go and recklessly drive as fast as you can, but you need to continuously improve your driving skills. And you cannot improve yourself unless you push yourself to the limits. And believe me, speed is not the only limit. You have limits in your ability to brake. You have limits in your ability to turn. So everything, apply this to every single skill. Even though limits to the throttle control, push yourself. Make it as smooth as possible. And that's about it for this video, guys. I hope this was useful for you. If not, let me know down in the comments. Also, if you want to add something to this list, please let me know in the comments. Your support is really appreciated. And if you like this video, click the like. And if you did not subscribe to my channel, press subscribe. I will also do spontaneous motovlogs in Bosnian, but I will try to translate them, like the one I did with the cruisers. So yeah, let me know what you think about those videos with the translations. Do you enjoy them? Should I do them? Because they take up some time to do. And yeah, what's the point for me to do them if you don't like them? Well, see you next time, guys, and stay safe.